doll collectors, gift givers, and fabsome besties. I'm Toya, an adult doll collector, and today we are taking a look at Barbie Extra. I bought 3 new Barbie Extra dolls on Amazon, and so far this is the first to arrive. This is doll number 15. It was $24.99. On the back, we can see all of the styling pieces included. It says there are 15 and it includes a pet. We can see the other extra dolls that are available. I ordered this one and hopefully she arrives before the end of this video. Out of the box, she has a lot of hair. We have a lot of metallic silver and purple. She comes with 2 silver hair accessories to go in her very long black hair. It's straight, the front is pulled back, and the clips are on the sides. She has purple sunglasses with silver trim. They're little triangles. I think they're pretty neat looking. She has brown eyes with lavender eyeshadow. They are not shiny. She has a lavender lip color, and you can see her teeth. She has silver metallic earrings, which I think are pretty cool. Are they removable? No. Aww. I would love it if the earrings were removable. And I know some people say, oh, well, they're not removable because they're small parts, but so are the hair clips, and those are removable. She comes with 2 necklaces. One is metallic and the other is a painted silver. It's actually like a lavender with a painted silver edge, and the paint is flaking off. But just keep in mind, this is my experience and yours could be different. She comes wearing a large metallic jacket with oversized sleeves, purple faux fur around the collar. There's a belt attached at the bottom with belt loops and a faux buckle. The bottom of the jacket closes with a snap. She wears a long sleeve 2-tone shirt underneath with hearts. It is a little sheer. It has a high collar paired with a metallic silver skirt with a ruffle. She comes with purple boots with silver painted buckles, a pizza slice shaped purse. There is a little sculpted zipper on the side. She has a large cell phone in a pink case. It is attached and cannot be removed, but it has a little stand in the back. So we can prop the phone up and we can try to slide it over the doll's hand so she can hold it. Her pet is a Dalmatian. It comes with a pink metallic bow that can be removed and some heart glasses that can also be removed. I think everyone already knows how I feel about Barbie Extra pets. Personally, I don't need them. I would much rather if they were replaced with more accessories or fashion pieces. We have quite a collection growing. The Dalmatian looks very similar to the smaller dogs, only its tail is longer and it's larger. And we have already started to see repeat figures. Now getting the same dog in different poses, well, I think that is kind of cute because it allows us to pretend like the dog is laying down or running around. But personally, I would still like a more realistic look. Oops, almost forgot this dog. We've seen farm animals, rodents, cats that are smaller than mice, birds, a crocodile or an alligator, and bears, which I think are actually stuffed animals. The Barbie Extra doll is fully articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist. She can move at the hip and bend at the knee. At this price point, I would love to see these dolls on Made to Move bodies. Can't say it enough, but I know that is just a personal preference. Our Barbie Extra Fancy doll just arrived. Priced at $29.99, I bought this doll on Amazon. The box is shaped a little different. I don't see a number to identify the doll. But on the back, we can still see the other dolls that are available. I can't wait to find that pink dress. This doll has a teddy bear theme with a colorful teddy bear bubble dress with green glitter ribbon attached to it. There are 2 bands at the waist, then it crisscrosses at the chest and is sewn to the back. The straps are not tacked in the center, so they kind of just move around. I was hoping that they would be removable, but it is stitched at the waist, so to remove them, that seems like it'll be a nice amount of work. The skirt is lined on the bottom. It has a cut edge with stitching at the top, and it velcros in the back. She has brown hair. It is very long with a light crimp texture. The front is styled into 3 knots. She has painted edges. She has brown eyes. The paint job actually looks pretty good, or the screening looks pretty good. She has lavender eyeshadow and a lavender lip color. Large silver metallic earrings. Are they removable on an extra fancy doll? No. She comes with 2 metallic necklaces, purple gloves, a sheer purple cape with teddy bear foiling. It has a bunched ruffle at the top and reaches all the way to the floor. She wears a blue teddy bear head bracelet, comes with a pink heart purse with a gold chain. She wears blue heels with silver painted studs at the top with pink ruffle socks. She also comes with a pink teddy bear purse with a silver chain, silver metallic sunglasses for a little something extra, 2 more bracelets, one that is silver colored and one that is silver metallic, and a blue bear with a pink popsicle, which looks just like another bear. But this one came with headphones and skates and a popsicle. Even at this higher price point, we have the same articulation as the other Barbie Extra dolls, with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. Aw, my Amazon order has been delayed. So let's mix and match some of our Barbie Extra fashion in our Barbie Extra room. Check out our earlier Barbie Extra videos for a tutorial for this project. Now let's see, what will go with this jacket? Jean shorts, pink metallic pants, maybe a black patent leather skirt, or the lavender pleated skirt. It's one of my favorite Barbie Extra pieces, and it just goes well with pretty much everything. I like it without the jacket too. However, we're gonna get rid of this necklace since all the paint's chipping off and replace it with the Barbie necklace. Throw on the glasses, and that could be a cute look. I'm loving these little satin gloves on our Extra Fancy doll. I wonder if we can just tuck some of this ribbon inside the dress. I'm just gonna hide it behind her hair. The dress stays up pretty good without the straps, so that's another option for this dress. Here it is with the tulle jacket, the silver jacket. What about a little purple faux fur? Add the purple tutu underneath, or go with the pink faux fur. I like the idea of Barbie Extra Fancy. It looks like something we would see on the runway, while Barbie Extra Doll 15 gives us some fun styling pieces to create different looks with the rest of the collection. Barbie Extra Fancy definitely gives us something new, but if I personally could only get one, I'm going with Barbie Extra 15, only because I could see me using her accessories more. If Barbie Extra Fancy came on a made-to-move body, then my answer would be different. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at some new Barbie Extra dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.